Welcome to In the Kitchen with Galavante, and today we are on our inaugural series of Cooking in the Kitchen with Families. And I am here with the Cashion family and Cole Cashion. Cole, thank you so much for inviting me in today.
Thank you for having me on your show.
I'm really excited. This is the first time we're actually launching our family series because there are some kids like you, and you're not even a kid anymore, who can cook some serious stuff. Who are you, and how long have you been cooking?
I am currently 15 years old, and I've been cooking for around 5 years.
What got you interested in cooking?
Probably my dad got me interested because he always made marvelous meals, and I just wanted to make them myself.
That's really amazing. And then did your dad teach you to make this pork roll, or who taught you this pork roll?
From videos online, I actually was taught how to make the pork roll. My dad actually doesn't like pork roll and will never eat it. He's been here for 16 years and has never had a bite of pork roll. So,
well, one in New Jersey.
One in New Jersy. Try pork roll and cheese.
Well, I'm excited. Let's get cooking.
I think this one might be. This is the best pork roll I've ever made. This is the best pork roll I've ever made. This is the best pork roll I've ever made.